Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you all a CVS haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. I want to say thanks to everyone that has been rocking with me, the ones that have subscribed to my channel, even the ones that have not and just view my video, okay? I want to say thank you all. 2020 has been a crazy year, okay? It started out good, and then next thing you know, boom, it hit us just straight in our face, without even noticing. You know what I'm saying? Just a blind hit in the face. But I see we all have gotten kind of through it a little bit, a little bit of just adjusting. It seemed like, wearing masks is going to be our normal, which I'm fine with that. I'm fine with wearing masks, okay? But I just hope for 2021, since they got these vaccines going on, that we, it's going to help us, the ones that need it, and even the ones that just want to take the vaccine, that's up to you, all right? So, where I work at, it's not mandatory that, because I work in the health field, it's not mandatory that we take the vaccine, but if we want to, we can, but they actually will let us know when we can go and get the vaccine, okay? I'm not like face-to-face with patients, but I might be the last one to be offered the vaccine, which is fine for me because I work from home right now. Okay, I'm working from home. So I'm fine with that. But the ones that is out there in the front, they are getting, the vaccine and everything. So everything seems like everything is starting to look good. Okay. Now, for 2021, for my New Year's resolutions for YouTube, I want to get monetized, okay? I'm already have 1,000 subscribers, but I need 4,000 watch time hours, okay? To get fully monetized, okay? I'm halfway there. Well, not even really halfway, but as far as for the subscriber part, I am there. But as far as for the watch time hours, I'm not there yet. So I'm hoping by the end, and I am putting it out there in the world, by the end of 2021, I will be monetized, okay? I would love to go half, even if, not even at the end. I just hope one day in 2021, I will be monetized for my channel. And then I will be great. But I just want to appreciate everyone that has been looking at my videos, that has subscribed to my channel, that has left me comments. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay? So, let's go ahead, y'all, and get to this CVS haul. Okay? So, I know y'all see all of this. This right here is almost, not everything, but some of the stuff that is on the spend 30, get a $10 gift card. Okay? Yes, it's spend 30, get a $10 gift card. So let me show y'all. Okay? So the first thing is the Always. The Always Flex Form, and I think it was the other Always, they are on sale for 2 for $8. I had a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that came out of the P&G, that scan. Also, y'all, the $3 off of 2 digital glitch, and I will show you that. Then I got the Tampax Pearl, and the Tampax Pocket Radiant. It is 2 for $8. Also, I used the $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that came out of the P&G, and also the digital glitch with this and came off. Okay, so the next thing is the drift. I got the drift, which I didn't have to get the drift, but I went ahead and got the drift because my daughter uses this. My granddaughter's skin is real sensitive, so she uses real sensitive skin, laundry detergent, and she's still a baby. Well, she's 1 year old, get ready to go into, well, she's 1. So, but I still went ahead and got this because I had a $3 off CRT drift coupon, and then also I went on, I think it was P&G every day for the $3 off drift manufacturer coupon that I printed off of there. Okay, it's like a one-time print, and then it'll go through and reset. So I went ahead and I was like, I can pay because this was $11.94. I said I can pay $4 and something cents for this, because this is usually about let's see, how much this is drift. Drift is usually like almost $15. Almost $15. It's like $14.49. So I could pay $4 for this. That's no problem. Okay. The next thing is the crest. These crests are $2.99. I went ahead and got 2 of them because there is $2 off of 1 on the manufacturer coupon on the P&G that came out of this last Sunday's paper. So it made both of these just 99 cents a piece because they was $2.99 a piece. So with those $2 off manufacturer coupons, made those 99 cents a piece, and which I'm fine with that. All right. So then the last thing for the spend 30, get $10 gift card. I was going to say extra, but gift card. These right here, value pack 3, these value size 3 pack, which is 216 count. These are cleansing wipes for babies. You can use them for almost anything, but I got them for my daughter for when she's over here, and then she can have them when she goes home, and we can just use them here too. So these are $6.99. They are buy one, get one 50% off. And this is a good price, y'all. Buy one, get one 50% off. Plus, I had a coupon, but it was a CRT, but it wouldn't scan. And I'll tell you the reason why it didn't scan once I show you my receipt. So it wouldn't go through, but that's all right. But it was a $3 off of 8. Okay. No, was it 3? Yeah, $3 off of $8. But I was fine with that. I just told the gentleman, the cashier, I just said that's fine, because he was like, it wouldn't go through. I said that's fine. That's fine. It's already low anyway, my price. Okay. So then the next thing I got, these Starbucks Frappuccino vanilla and caramel. Okay. They are 2 for $5. There was no coupon at all. I should have used my 40% off coupon. Didn't know my CRT that I had, but that's fine. These, like I said, they are 2 for $5. I never tried the Starbucks. I always get the who is it? Dunkin' Donuts. I always get Dunkin' Donuts. But this is my first time getting the Starbucks. So I hope this caramel is good, and I know the vanilla probably is good. Because I usually go get the Frappuccinos, but I usually just wait until the Christmas time and get the peppermint mocha. And I always get the Frappuccino and go from there, and I never get anything else, okay? Then the last thing are these Christmas cookies. They are 75 cents because CVS, on some of the stuff, they had 50% off, and then some of the stuff they didn't. But those was discounted to 75 cents. So I always wanted to try those. So I picked these up, these little Danish cookies. Those like premium cookies. They are originally $1.49, but they 75 cents on sale. So, y'all, after he rung up everything, all the digitals came off, all my manufacturer coupons came off, and then also the CRTs that I had already that came through the red box. Yeah. And I wrote in, let's see how much I wrote in. I forget how much I wrote in. I wrote in $22. Okay. No. Yeah, I'm sorry. $22 that I wrote in. Oh, it did take it. He must have didn't see that. I don't know. But I'm just looking at my receipt, y'all. So let me show y'all my receipt. Hold on. So there's the Starbucks. There's the Tampax. There's the Always. There's the Danish that was 75 cents. And then there is the cleansing. Is it the cleansing wipes? No, the Crest toothpaste. I'm sorry, Crest toothpaste. Then there is the cleansing wipes. All right, so there is my coupons. I had a $3 off for the Drift. I had a $2 for the Crest and another $2 for the Crest. I had a $3 off of 2 for the Always and a $3 off of 2 for the Tampax. And you see where right there on the Tampax and the Always it glitched and it came off for the digital. Then I had a $3 off for the Drift laundry, which is $3. And then I had a $3 off of 8 CVS for the baby. I thought I had 2 of them, so I must have had 2 that was in there, and it wouldn't take the other one, which was fine. And then that's when I wrote in my CRTs, and look how much my subtotal was. $3.15. Yes, $3.15. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. So I just went ahead and paid with cash. And then today I saved $65.83 with 95% savings. And here is, I got to go back for my $10 gift card because y'all, I had to go because it was a little bit hot in there. And that's why I got back. So the next time when I go back to CVS, it don't expire until January the 27th, which is fine with me. I will go ahead and pick that up and redeem it. So after everything came off, I was happy. Y'all better go because the Always is glitching on the Tampax. So I'll let you all know that. But if you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's channel.